Adrienne of Adrianne's Naturals, and today we're going to do self mini facials. I have with me today my good friend Erin.
Hello.
And she's not only going to be giving a demonstration of the self facials, but she's going to give her first impression. Today she's going to be doing a face wash followed by a scrub. She's also going to steam her face with a hot towel. Then she's going to do a mask, a toner, and a cream face moisturizer. As always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see, what you think of this video in the comments, so I know what to change. Other than that, let's get right to it.
Yeah, I tried the soap and immediately I felt like, I want to say like the power of it. Or like you can just feel it cleaning your skin instantly when I start like using it. It wasn't a lot of lather, which is what I like, but it was enough lather where I knew it was doing its job. The smell is really pretty, but it's not overpowering, which is also what I like about my soaps. My skin feels very clean. Like it doesn't feel oily, it doesn't feel wet. It just feels very clean, like very, very clean, but not like super dry either. So it's a little bit still moisture in there, which is what I also like. Yeah. Shade, but like I said, when I first put it on, it was very rough, so I wouldn't like just go crazy and just put it on super fast. Like I would like really sit there and take my time, put it on, and use water and build it up, like use a little and then slowly build it up versus putting a bunch on your face and just scrubbing it all over. Because I feel like the oatmeal, the exfoliant of it like, you could feel it on your skin, so it could irritate your skin if you use it too fast. So you want to take your time putting it on and rubbing it on your face. But with that aside, I love how it smells. It makes my skin feel super smooth. I can feel it like scrubbing off the dead skin and all the bad stuff off my skin, and it leaves my skin with this nice glow. Like I don't know if you guys could tell, but like my skin is glowing and I like it. I like that natural glow. I would love to glow 365 days out the year. So the fact that this gives me a natural glow, I love it. So I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10 as far as scrubs, because it's hard to find a good scrub that do what it's supposed to do and give you a natural glow. You know what I mean? So. charcoal mask. I love it. From first looking at it, I put a little bit of water on it because it's a little too spongy for my taste. For anybody else, it probably would have worked, but I just put a little bit of water in it just to make it a little bit more liquidy, so it could spread a little bit more thinner. Because I personally like my mask a little thinner. I don't like them super thick. And just because I did a lot of stuff in one, I didn't want to put too much on my face or put my face through too much. But I like the feeling on my face. It feels super firm. Like, I like that my face feels firm, but it's not too firm. It feels like my skin is like bouncy. That's a feeling that you feel, but in a good way, not a bad way. But I like it. I would most definitely use this before, like, if I need to do it, like, you know, every once in a while. I wouldn't do it every day, of course, but like I said, if I have like a really bad breakout, or if I just need to like do something before I put on my makeup, that would be something I would do too, to make my pores, to take everything out of my skin, all the toxicity out of my pores, what I meant to say. But I like it. I like how my skin feels. It doesn't feel too dry, but yeah, it doesn't feel too wet. And I feel like I said, I feel that clean, firm feel after I use it. And I like it. I like it. So first thoughts on the toner. I like how it was, the consistency of it. It wasn't thick, but it wasn't watery. It was like a medium or neutral feeling. I like that I felt like it was taking off excess things that were on my face that you can't get off with anything else. Like, for example, like I did the mask, and when I did the toner, it took off the remaining charcoals that I still had on my face, even though I wiped my face off, which I like. So it's almost like a cleansing toner too. And I like that it gave me a little glow, as you know, we love that. And I like the smell of it too. It's a good smell. And like I said, it gives like a spongy, like your skin feels very spongy afterwards. And of course, after that, I let it dry. I like kind of fan myself, or you can use a fan, but I fan myself, let it dry so it can really set in the skin before I use my moisturizer. And I use the moisturizer. Off top, moisturizer, it honestly, no, real talk, it feels like you're putting Vaseline on your face. It feels like Vaseline, but it's not greasy at all. It feels like you're putting Vaseline because it's so moisturizing, but it's not greasy like that. It's like you put it on, like I have it on right now, it just feels like glowy and like dewy, a little sticky. So I wouldn't put this on. I would put this on with my makeup or at night. I personally wouldn't use it during the day just because my face gets super oily during the day. But I feel like if you're a dry skin type person, like this would be perfect. But I feel like for me, I'm oily, an oily combination. I'm dry and oily. I personally wouldn't use it during the day, like especially if it's hot outside. I would use it like if it's like really super cold, or at night I would use it. Or I would use it under my makeup because it's super sticky. And I personally like moisturizer or serums that are sticky because like my foundation or my makeup will stick better to my face and it will stay on and last longer. And it gives me this glow, which I like. As we know, she likes the glow. So overall, the skincare, I give it a 10 out of 10. No cons. As of what I can think of on top of my head, like no real cons for real. Just the moisturizer is just a little too thick for me to wear it like during the day. I would only wear it like at night. that's it. And the scrub, just kind of use that. I wouldn't put that on super fast. I would just put that on super slow, and you could feel it working instantly. Everything you can feel working instantly, which I like about all the products. Like I said, with the scrub, just kind of take your time putting that on. And I wouldn't use that every day either, just every once in a while. But I love all that.